Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone ear speaker low volume issue. The ear speaker volume too low on your iPhone. Ear speaker is the one of the crucial part of an iPhone. Users can't communicate or respond to their calls privately without getting any output from the ear speaker. The modern iPhones also use the ear speakers as a media output channel to produce the stereo effect. So you must solve the problem. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is turn off the headphone safety. Sometimes enabling the headphone safety feature can cause this sort of problem. On your iPhone settings page, open up the sound and haptics panel, scroll down and go to sound and haptics panel. Next, open the headphone safety part, tap on it. Here you will see the option of reduce loud audio. Turn off the reduce loud audio from there. After turning off this mode, you can retry using the ear speaker again and you are done. And the next step is kill background apps. If any of the background app is using the ear speaker, it may not work properly. For this, just swipe up across from the left hand side to view all the apps. Clean any app that has access to the media like ear speaker of the device. Swipe up all the apps one by one. When there are not any apps that control the media is there, you can use the ear speaker of the device to its complete capability and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone ear speaker low volume issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.